sé cómo
Hi guys, today
Yo ya
I
sé.
am my
¿Cómo
grandma's house
sabes?
and
Ya,
this
el gato.
is my cat. His name is Tommy. Tommy. I know he's cute. He is very cute, and I want to show you something else. Also, this is my cousins from the Chile video. The Chile video. Daddy didn't upload it. I don't know why. And this is my brother Andrew, my cousin Sebastian over here,
That's my cousin Gato.
and that's my cat. Tabooty. Yeah. And also he dances.
Hey.
So stand here. Look at him. He dances. That's his dance. He has beautiful eyes. Go like, yeah. And also he gives me a high five. Like, leave him alone. High five. High five. Sometimes he doesn't want to do it, but most of the time he does. Kitty, high five.
Ya
High five.
déjalo, se está haciendo...
Ya, déjenlo en paz, güey. Si no sueño.
There he goes.
Ya, vale. Váyanse allá a jugar.
And
Y no se van a